really neat feature in Keynote is that I can make these shapes move. First, I'll select the sun and head over to the Format menu. Here, I'll select the Animate tab. Inside of Animate, there are options for building in, actions, and building out. For the sun, I'll select Action and add an effect. I can preview some of these effects before adding one. I'll click the effect I like to add it. I can change how long the effect will last by changing the duration. I'll click Preview to see what it will look like. Next, I'd like to animate the water. In this case, I think I'll choose a build-in because I'd like it to appear on the screen. I'll select the action I like by clicking on it. I'm going to select the same action for the rest of the water shapes as well. I know of the perfect action to select for these lava shapes. That's the one. Now I need to decide what order all of these animations will occur in. I'll select Build Order at the bottom of the Format menu. Each of these animations is called a build. Right now, they're all occurring separately at the click of a button. I'm going to select my sun animation and change it to occur after the transition of the slide instead of having to click my mouse. Next, I'll click on the first water animation. I can decide to have this occur with build 1 or after build 1. That means that it will occur at the same time as the sun animation or after the sun is done moving. I'm going to select with build 1 and take a look at what this will look like. Let's see a preview. You can see that the water and sun animations occurred at the same time. Let's change to the After Build 1 option and see what it looks like. See how the water enters the screen after the sun is done moving. I think I want each of my water shapes to enter the screen separately. That means I'm going to choose After Build 2, After Build 3, and so on for each of my water shapes. You'll want to play around with the build order a little bit to decide how you want your animations to look. Now I'm ready for the lava. I want the lava to come in after the water, so I'm going to choose After Build 10, but I want them all to come in together. So for each lava piece, I'm going to choose for them to come in with Build 11. There's one last change I'd like to make. I think my sun animation lasts a little bit too long, so before I put the finishing touches, I'm going to go ahead and change that duration to a little bit shorter. Then I'll push play to see how it looks. I'll push my Escape key to come back to my editing pane. I can always make more changes if I'd like.